Hi, welcome to Auntie Nat's Crochet. Today I'm gonna make a wedding veil. You call it veil, I think. I'm not sure if I pronounced it correctly. You know, the gown, the bridal veil, the one that you wear on the head. I found this cloth, which is just perfect because one of my Amigurumi is getting married, and you have to stay tuned to find out who. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I'll keep you notified. See, this is what I found online. Isn't it lovely? It already has all these tiny pearls fastened into it. I'm not sure how. Maybe they have a machine to do that. But they have all this. I do not have to buy a lot. I just buy 1 meter. Anyway, minimum is 1 meter. You can buy less than that. So you can have it for an adult, a normal person, but I'm gonna cut it and make it for my Amigurumi. So since I have quite a lot here, maybe I can make more weddings, more Amigurumi weddings. Okay, so I just want to show you what I've got. And now I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna cut it into the size that I want, and I'm gonna use, you can either use gold or silver thread. I have this silver thread, which it looks kind of cool for a bridal veil. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So I hook it through a needle. I'm not sure you can see this because it's just too fine, and it's silver, look kind of nice. Okay, this is the veil. This is the cloth for the veil. You have got to make sure where the pearls all are, which side are they showing. Okay, I'm going to fold it this way. The pearl, I'm not sure you can see, the pearl are facing upwards. Okay, I'm gonna fold it down like this, not much. The edge of this is here, so I'm gonna fold it down here, so there'll be a gap of about 2 inches. Okay, I want to be a long veil for my Amigurumi. And over this side, okay, all the pearls are facing inside, and this side about 1/2 inch from the veil. I'm gonna sew it this way. Can you see? Okay, I'll hold it higher for you to see. Okay, later I'm gonna pull and I'm gonna tie a knot. So here I'm gonna fasten this onto the head of the Amigurumi, and here you can just, this side you can cover the whatever Amigurumi, and this one you leave it at the back. Isn't that lovely? So here you can actually open and close, so your Amigurumi can have a real wedding. So don't forget to subscribe. Do stay tuned to find out who is getting married. I'm going to fasten it here. If you want, you can add flowers, but I wanted it to be this way, so this will look like the flower on the head. I do not need flowers. Just this will do. Maybe I should sew a bit in, not too near the pearls though, or maybe I should fold some pearls up here. Let me see if I can get some pearls to stay up there. Maybe this. So if I were to sew it this way, yeah, and you see I have some of the pearls hidden inside here. Yes, I think I should do it this way. So I'm gonna pull my needle here, pull tight, tie a knot. So you will have all this in front, and I'm gonna fasten this on the head of the amigurumi. And this side, the shorter one, I can cover the head, and this one I'll leave it at the back. Now wouldn't that be a perfect wedding? Hey, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.